this video, I will explain how to create a demographic survey. First, you need to click Add-ons, Click Form and Load Form Template. You can search demographic survey, and then after you found it, click Load Selected Template. You can check the dashboard, responses, question, and settings too. After you refresh the page like this, just click Form and then Get Link. Click Continue, and then choose your account. And then click Advanced, and then go to Form. Just click Allow here. After you get the link like this, just copy it and paste it into your search engine. So the form is now ready to use. You can also change or custom your questions in the question type. For example, I want to add a new row, and here I fill name, for example. Go to form, and then it will show like this. You can also change the question type. For example, I change it into date, and for the question, date of birth, for example, and it will show like this, so the audience can pick easily from the calendar. You can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear instantly. Go to settings to change your background color of your form. For example, I change like this. And then you can also change the style of your title. For example, here I delete the marked behavior, just follow the step, and the title will stuck. Thank you.